Carlo Dolci or Carlino Dolci was born 25th of May 1616, died 17th of January 1686. He was an Italian painter of the Baroque period, active mainly in Florence, known for highly finished religious pictures, often repeated in many versions. His painstaking technique made him unsuited for large-scale fresco painting. He painted chiefly sacred subjects, and his works are generally small in scale. Although he made a few life-size pictures, he often repeated the same composition in several versions, and his daughter, Agnese Dolci, also made copies of his works. After attempting the whole figure of St. John, and the head of the infant Christ, he painted a portrait of his mother, displaying a new and delicate style which brought him into notice. The grand manner, vigorous coloration or luminosity, and dynamic emotion of the Bolognese-Roman Baroque are foreign to Dolci and to Baroque Florence. While he fits into a long tradition of prestigious official Florentine painting, Dolci appears constitutionally blind to the new aesthetic. Shackled by the Florentine tradition that holds each drawn figure under a microscope of academicism,